Look at that.
This here is Sammy, A1482754, a 3-year-old Cocker Spaniel mix, super darling. He is actually kenneled with another dog. It seems that he is very dog friendly and has no dog reactiveness. His little tail is wagging. Come here, Sammy. Aw, he's darling. Okay, now we're going to take him out and test him. You have to touch the head, the ears, the neck, the back, the butt. We got his little butt, the abdomen, and picking up and handling all 4 of his paws. Okay, let's see. 2 paws. Okay. Back paws. I assume that's what I'm supposed to do. I've never done that before, but he has absolutely no issues. He's a sweet little love bug. Look, he's not minding touching his face, touching his teeth. He's a sweet boy. Oh, what a gorgeous boy you are. He is 3 years old, tan, male, A1482754 Sammy. We are in love with you. Oh my goodness, he is just beautiful. Beautiful, sweet, gentle boy. Oh, yes, no issues. We haven't even heard him bark at all. Oh, darling. And he's 24 pounds. And this is Sammy being pet by some kids that he doesn't know. And he's being very, very gentle with them. And now we're going to head out into the yard.
We're going to go let him run now. Thank you.
He walks very gently. There's slack in the leash. He doesn't pull. He seemed housebroken the minute that we took him out. That was the first bit of business that he did. And he's doing more of it. Now we're walking him through the kennels on the way out to the yard. The dog kennels are all right here. Reaction at all. And he was just tail wagging the entire time. Walk him by. Yeah, walk him by. Right. Just go by. Yeah, walk him by. And this is little doggie.
Look.
And he has no reaction whatsoever. Here's Sammy. Here's another dog. No reaction whatsoever. He's really gentle on a leash.
Could you just hold him and I'll go grab some?
He walks really well on a leash. And his tail just wags the entire time.